Sordihun Tisopi. And from Assamese, Binita Kujur. And English again, Swapnali Hemron. Then from History Department, Serdihun Kilingpi. Then from Librarian, Priyanka Devi. From Sociology Department, Montu Daimari. Then Library Bearer, Aniket Lazam. Then from Education, Metali, by the way, is here or not? Metali Mahata. She is helping there in the kitchen side, Metali Mahata is. So when she comes, we'll facilitate her. So thank you. Once again, we welcome you to the family of Depani College. Okay, thank you.
Said a lot of things.
I was not the in charge for
like
past years. I have taken up the in charge for just 4 years. Now 4 years already
To
completed.
be a good speaker,
So
you have to
I
be a good
keenly
listener.
studied the functioning of the college and the system. So when the
I
new education
may not
policy
be
comes
the
up,
alumni of this Deopani College.
the staff of Depani
But
College
Depani
felt the
College
need
is in
of
my heart.
establishing Depani College Alumni Association. So that is how we
When we
call them
speak about college,
one by
when
one,
we speak about
contacting
youth,
them.
we all
Finally,
know
then
that
we
youth is
could
the
form this
backbone of our country.
association.
And you also have mentioned
Youth
about the
has
quality
an
education,
immense
especially
potential
if you could talk
to
about the
lead
quality education. The council also have been
the
for
country,
giving a
to lead
slogan
this
more than 2
college,
years ago
or
to
to
bring
lead
quality
this
education in
program.
Karbi Anglong. But then we had come into the notice that the salary has been given once in a year by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So you being a principal, what did you face in order to bring the quality education in your college?
কাৰ্যসূচীত মই উপস্থিত
So when you ask this question,
কাৰ্যসূচীত মই অংশগ্ৰহণ
it's a very
কৰিছোঁ
tough question.
আৰু
Not only Depani College,
তেতিয়া
Venture College of all Karbi Anglong have faced this problem
অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনৰ যি
of
মুৰব্বী
getting salary
সেই মুৰব্বী ধুনীয়াকৈ
once
আসন
in
গ্ৰহণ
a
কৰি
year. That means
তেওঁ
12
গোটেইখিনি
months. At the end of the year,
Sai.
the month of March, we get
কিন্তু আজি ইয়াৰ
salary.
উপস্থিত হৈ মোক এনে লাগিছে
So it's
ইয়াৰ
very,
দেওপানী কলেজৰ
hard
যি
to bear,
মুৰব্বী
especially the staff, including
আমাৰ
myself.
সন্মানীয় প্ৰিন্সিপাল ছাৰ
We have a
তেওঁ গোটেই
transportation
কাৰ্যসূচী
coming from home to
যেনেকে
college
ধৰণৰ এক্টিভলি
to meet the daily expenses. Some are staying in the rent house. So it's quite difficult.
খুব এটা
So
শিকিবলগীয়া কথা
my humble
যে যিমান
request and my earnest
ওপৰ
request to
বা উচ্চ
the
পদত
council and
থাকিলেও
the authority is,
সকলো
if they
সময়তে
could give
active,
us
সকলো সময়তে গাইডেন্স
the salary,
দি যাব লাগিব
whatever the
আৰু
council has
সেই
given us now,
বস্তুবোৰ আমি
fixed
ছাৰৰ
pay,
পৰা শিকিবলৈ
if they give us
পাইছোঁ
monthly wise,
আজি
it will be much better
আমি
and
যেতিয়া
the
প্ৰেক্টিকেল লাইফত যেতিয়া
venture
আমি কওঁ
college of
there
all
is
the
a
Karbi
big
Anglong
gap.
will be very
আমি
happy
যেতিয়া গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন কৰি
and
ওলাওঁ
we will
এটা কলেজৰ
welcome
পৰা
them
বা এটা
with a
ইনষ্টিটিউচনৰ পৰা
big heart.
তেতিয়া লগে লগে আমি চাকৰি